Oh, man. I seen this moment on YouTube. Man, it's just crazy. Oh, man. I had bad teeth my whole life. This is crazy. I tell you I was missing family functions because of bad teeth. I don't go out to eat with my daughters because of bad teeth. I want to take them to good restaurants with good food, like the best shit. I got the budget for it. But I was making up reasons not to go eat. And I think it got to a point where my daughters thought maybe I didn't want to go with them. So I said, you know what? I got to do something. And same thing with other family members in addition to them. Maybe they were thinking things. And I don't want them to think I wasn't coming around because of them. I was not coming around because of my teeth. So I really appreciate this, you guys. This is a life changer for me. This is a life changer. I've been in a lot of pain too. But you know, the pain is, you get used to it. So it you just get used to it. But you can't get time back from missing things because you're not showing up because of your teeth. So you never get that back. Thank you guys very much. Thanks a lot. I'm amazed. Family functions that you may not go to for in this family because of your teeth. And naturally, people do feel over a period of time, they start making up things in their mind as to why you're not there. Mm-hmm. And so you'll talk to a cousin, and maybe he'll say, I understand why you don't come around. It's because of us and this. Different things that you think, wow, I would never want you guys to think that. And I'll leave you with this. I can only tell you true stories. So I took my daughters out my daughters are beautiful. They're 28. Me and my wife been together 33 years. I took my daughters out to eat a couple years ago, probably 3 years ago. And they were late. And they were rushing because they had to go to work. So they showed up late and they were rushing to leave. And we just so happened to haven't went out to eat since then. And I think they think it's because of that day they were rushing to go to work and they were running late. I don't never care if they're rushing or running late. I love them regardless. They can do whatever they want to do. It doesn't matter. And I know they had to go to work. But what I don't want is any more misunderstandings because of my teeth. We don't go out to eat anymore because I had bad teeth. Still because they were running late. But you know, even your teeth, you may not discuss that with family. You may not say, I don't go out to eat because I have bad teeth. You may just not go because you have bad teeth. Mm-hmm. And again, that's when you have room for your own thoughts as to why this person's not going. So this will bring me closer to my family again, and I can be who I am. So
It's a big thing you said.
I have a big personality, and that's what I bring to my family. So when I'm not there, my place is personality and fun, laughter, positive information you can use, news you can use from my heart. Tell you everything I know to help you try to keep good information I'm that family. I want you to be as successful as me, even more so. And so I think my family misses me too. They miss out on me not being there. My little brother tried to step up. He's a paralegal. So he's a good guy. He's in the stocks, does a lot of things, but he's not as positive as me. He doesn't have the life experiences. So he tries the best he can do, but I need to be there also because I bring an element to our family that's been missing. And I hear it when I talk to him. So I just want to thank you guys very much. I just feel like you guys are really happy for people. You know, somebody like that wants you to have the best. Mm-hmm. That's it. Even sometimes family not as happy for each other. Right. So to see a stranger happy for somebody, it's as good as gold. This is it. This is it. You said everything that needed to be said, and I ended up taking your advice, right? And
yeah, it's good. We went from
I ended up taking your
option. Yeah.
Yes, and because
now it's really strong. Like you got the back implants or Fred implants.
You did everything right. You did everything right.